Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, children. We are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. كيف حالكم? How are you all doing? Wow! Isn't it exciting that you can learn Quran and Arabic at the same time? I'm sure it is. So let's buckle up and start. You saw Shamsi letters already. The remaining 14 are Qamari letters. You just pronounce them as usual. Nothing special about them. For example, Al-Qamar, you can say Al very easily. Similarly, the next 13 letters, Ba, Ma, Wa, Fa, Ya, Ba, Ka, Qa, A, Ha, A, Ha, Gha, Kha, come from different places. The middle tongue, Ya, the 3 edge letters, and the 6 throat letters, Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha, have all L sound clear, and when L comes before it, they are called Qamari letters. Let us practice them. We are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. So, buckle up, and let's go and learn how to recite Quran properly. Children, we are starting to take some examples of Huruf Qamari. So concentrate and practice along as I help you recite the words. The first word for us is Fil Ardi, Fil Ardi, Bil Akhirati, ربك الأعلى ربك الأعلى. The next is examples for ba. بالبينات هذا البيت هذا البيت ولكن البر من الجاهلين من الجاهلين أصحاب الجحيم. These are the examples of the letter J of Huruf Qamari. أصحاب الجنة. We come to letter Ha and its examples. الحمد بالحق في الحياة. Don't say Alhamdu. Make sure that the Ha is proper. الحمد بالحق بالحق is the right way. في الحياة, no, حياتي. Now the examples for خا. بالخير في الخلق هم الخاسرون. Examples for ع. وهو العزيز رب العالمين شديد العذاب. Examples for غا. بالغيب متاع الغرور من الغم والفلك والفتنة إن الفضل. Now examples for قا. والقمر يوم القيامة ذي القربى. Not zil, but ذي القربى. Examples for ka. للكافرين ذلك الكتاب ألسنتهم الكذب ألسنتهم الكذب. Again, ألسنتهم Oops, be careful. ألسنتهم الكذب. Now, let's take the example for ma. هم المتقون هم المتقون. The next one. هم المفلحون وبئس المصير وبئس المصير. Now let's take an example for wa. والوزن وبالوالدين وبالوالدين ونعم الوكيل ونعم الوكيل. Now let's take example for ها بالهدى من الهالكين. MashaAllah, children, we are cruising and having so much fun learning and reading, reciting the Quran. And we are going at a very good speed, MashaAllah. And I want you to make sure that you practice every day for a few minutes so that you can increase and improve your recitation, inshaAllah. Let's continue, and we take the example of the last word from ha, حروف قمرية. عذاب الهون عذاب الهون. We take the example for ya. وباليوم وباليوم مال اليتيم وقالت اليهود. Children, let us continue in our advanced class of learning how to write Arabic, because you have advanced yourselves, haven't you? Wonderful. So I'm going to teach you how to write 2 new words in our class today. So the first word, but let me first grab my board and my marker and start our first word, fil ardi. Fil ardi. So I start with the fi, with the kasra and the dot, fi, and you have the alif, and I have my lam with the alif, with the sukoon and the fatha, fil ar ra with the sukoon, and you have your di, ardi, fil ardi. Take your pen, follow along with me. Fil. So you have this dot, the alif, and you take that, and you take that, al-ardi. So you're gonna go like that, and go like that, and like that. Fil ardi. MashaAllah. Now let me show you how to write the second word, which is ربك الأعلى. ربك الأعلى has the ra with the fatha, and you have the ba and the ka, the dot, ربك, تجديد with the kasra, ka has the fatha, ربك. The next you have the alif, you have the lam with the alif, sukoon, fatha, and ar. So the lam, and you have the alif maqsura. So ربك الأعلى. ربك الأعلى. Take your pen and follow along with me how to write. Let's start again. Ra with the fatha, ba with the dot, tajdeed with the kasra, then go along like that, then you have that, and you have that. Al-ardu, like that, and like that, you have that, and you have that. La. MashaAllah. That looks so nice, and I'm sure that you are also trying to practice as much as possible and continue learning. And don't forget that you have the third word for our lesson, which is bil-akhirati. And I hope that you will continue to practice on your own. Subhanallah. Wow. That is a praise in Arabic. And I'm sure that you would be so much interested to know what it means. Come with me and let's learn Arabic with actions. إليه means to him. إليهم means to them. Again, إليه means to him. إليهم means to them. Last, إليه means to him. إليهم means to them. Now, it's your turn. Repeat after me in Arabic. إليه إليهم. Oh man, you can do a better job. Come on, let me hear you again. إليه إليهم. إليه إليهم. That's much more like it. إليه إليهم. Very nice. Lastly, إليه إليهم. Excellent. Now repeat with me slowly. إليه إليهم. إليه إليهم. إليه إليهم. I can't hear you. Again. Let's do it again. إليه إليهم. إليه إليهم. إليه إليهم. إليه إليهم. Excellent. MashaAllah. Wow, children. I'm so excited to teach you Quran and talk in Arabic at the same time. I'm sure that all of you are so excited at the same time. And I'm sure that all of us will see each other in our next class. That's all for now. See you next class. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum